How to fix Snapchat device ban. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you face the problem of your Snapchat device ban and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution on how you can solve that. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now in the search icon of the Google Chrome, there you have to search Snapchat device ban support or Snapchat support. After you tap on the option of the Snapchat support, you can see the option like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is Snapchat support. And after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the very option of I can't access my account or my account is compromised. You can either tap on that or you can also go back once again and you can also go to the option of my account is logged from here and you can tap on that. Now after you go to the option of my account is logged, you can see an interface like this. Now, since you have been blocked, you have to go to the option of my account has been permanently locked. And after that, you can see an interface like this. Now, here you have to tap on the option of here. And after you tap on the option of here, it will lead you to an interface like this. Now, after you go to the interface like this, you have to just scroll down. And after you scroll down, now you can go to the option of submitting an appeal there. And you can also find a very Google form out there where you can also send a very appeal to the Snapchat. What you can do is you can submit an inquiry to the very Snapchat. So in the search icon, you can search submit an inquiry to Snapchat. And after you tap on that, now you can see an interface like this. So you have to tap on the first option, that is submit a request once again. And after that, you can see an interface like this. Now you can tap on the option, I think my account was compromised once again. And again, it will take you to the next interface here. So here what you can do is you can just scroll down. You have to tap on your username, your email, your mobile number, and a description of the problem and send it to Snapchat. And after Snapchat receives it within the 24 hours, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video. And if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.